Alright y'all, so I am doing my own install, as you can see. And so yeah, I want to listen to my music because I'm vibing. So I'm gonna just play some music on top for y'all so y'all can see me at least do my baby hair. So let's jump straight into how to make $30,000 without any inventory on hand. That's basically a pre-order system. You've probably heard this a lot within the hair industry, but the importance for me was to find a hair vendor that was actually located in the United States. And my hair vendor sells Cambodian hair. They have virgin hair and they also have raw hair. And if you haven't seen my only video that you need to watch in 2024 for selling hair, make sure you watch that video. I have it down below in the description, but I talked about marketing and focusing on creating short reels and short content and just marketing and putting yourself out there, not focusing on having inventory on hand when you're a new business. You need a vendor that ships overnight or a vendor that does drop shipping. So all you have to do is focus on marketing, and then once your customer actually purchases from you, then you take that money and you order from your vendor, the vendor, which my vendor that I provide to you, and her vendor connect. Then we'll send your hair to you within 24 hours and your customer won't even realize that there's a pre-order system. And to me, this is just as passive as selling digital products because I make a profit as soon as I sell and I'm not losing anything. I'm not losing out on anything because I'm not purchasing any inventory. There's been a lot of times that I tried to keep up with the Joneses and I wanted to portray having a successful business, and I spent thousands of dollars before on inventory. And yes, I did sell all of that inventory, but there were days and weeks sometimes when I would buy on-hand inventory and the hair just did not sell. And nothing is worse than taking out a business loan or spending money on a credit card and your monthly payments are due and you just feel like the hair is not selling as fast, or by the time you get rid of all your inventory, you barely even feel like you saw a profit, which is what a lot of you will experience being a new hair business. Please don't look at the girls that have 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 followers and see them with their raw hair racks and feel like you need to splurge on a lot of hair when you haven't even proven to yourself that you can even sell your first wig, okay? I received DMs with girls saying they spent a lot of money purchasing inventory and they're not able to get the inventory off. Please, please, please follow this system. I'm here to help you, okay? I'm here to help you. Another package just came in for my customers, so let's get into it. So I got some bundles yesterday, and so I'm gonna show y'all me packaging that. And then I also have a custom wig order to do. So I'm gonna show you the wig real quick. So she comes in pink packaging, and then it comes in USPS packaging after that, always. I haven't received any different packaging again from my US vendor. And then this is a HD wig. My customer ordered this 2 days ago. I'm sorry, not 2 days ago. My customer ordered this yesterday and I received it today. And this is, we went with virgin hair. And then this is HD lace. So this is what the lace is looking like. It's so thin. My camera's not even focusing on the lace. My camera is still trying to focus on my face. But it is HD lace, as you can see, real HD lace. Y'all know I would never steer y'all wrong. Y'all know y'all my babies, right? Okay, I made $4.95 off of this wig. I didn't charge her that much because with customization and everything like that, because it's actually a friend of mine. And then for the bundles, I made $511. No inventory. No inventory on hand. And this is from a girl that's been in business since 2020. It's 2024, and I'm telling you, I am only into digital products right now and making passive income by selling hair, but I will get the hair once my customers send that coin. Okay? And that's how you make that passive money. So I received a $500 wig order, and I was in the process of actually recording a reel, as you can see, on packaging an order. And I was like, oh my gosh, let me go ahead and actually capture this for my YouTube as well. So I just literally ordered this hair. I received my order 2 days ago, and she Zelled me, so I went ahead and that same night ordered the hair from my vendor, and I received the order yesterday. So 24 hours. I didn't have this inventory on hand. I don't have any inventory in my house. I just placed the order with my vendor once my customer places their order, and my vendor is for sale. So this is me packaging everything. Like I said, I had already started this process and then I thought about y'all. I'm so sorry. Next time I'll like unbox everything all organically and things like that. But I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing so far. So I have these nylon cable ties, and basically these are the zip ties. So I haven't done this one yet. As you can see, I could take the entire bundle out actually. So excuse my nails because my nails aren't done. But basically, as you can see here, this is what the bundle looks like. Just taking it straight out the package. And then I'm not about to take this out again, but you can see I put my zip ties on there to match the packaging. So you can find these on Amazon. And some girls that do this, they actually would take the black ones off and then replace it with 2 of these. I'm a little bit too lazy to do all of that. I feel like that's a lot of energy, so I'm not gonna do that. So basically what I do is I'm gonna brush the bundle out, okay, make sure it's nice and straight, and then I basically just take the zip tie like this, stick it through the middle just to give it a pop of color, but I don't feel like cutting the other zip tie off or doing any of that. This is actually backwards. But shout out to Aubrey Extensions. I actually got this from her, like to get zip ties from Amazon that match your custom packaging. It's just like the aesthetics of things really matter. But she's another fellow raw hair business owner girly. And boom, so this is now what the bundle looks like. Okay, and this is her 30-inch. And then me personally, I put everything right back into the original packaging that my vendor sent. So I know that this client is taking this to a hairstylist, so it tells them, you know, raw hair, what length it is. And I'm sorry, I thought this was the 30-inch. This is the 26-inch, her shortest bundle. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like my vendor actually made or sent bundles that are longer than the actual lengths, because I took her 30-inch out and I put it up against like my jawline, and it was really long. So like it was giving 32 inches, not 30 inches, so period. But anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in this bag. I took her brush out the packaging, and I did use her own brush to brush her bundles. But the reason I took it out of its plastic packaging is because it looks like in shipping, the little like bristles got bent in. I do have, if you go to my Instagram, Her The Hustle, in my link in bio, I have a free ebook that shows you where I get like custom made bonnets, which she also gets a bonnet as well that says her. These are pretty old. I've had these for a while. Obviously you can see I like black silk. But yeah, she gets a bonnet. And yeah, I ordered a lot of these a long time ago, and I'm gonna use this color scheme until I run out. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do this all the time or with every order, but yeah, she gets like a custom brush, again the whole red, and it is gonna go back into the plastic for her. So yeah, 30 inches, you definitely need like a brush. But this is the brand that I got the brush from, and I actually got that off of Amazon, and it comes in a set of 4, 2 silver and 2 red. I actually purchased the set to get the 2 silver ones for myself, and I don't really like the red ones, and I was like, oh, this actually matches my custom packaging. So I was like, I'll just give these to my customers till I run out. I had ordered like 2 sets, so I have 4 red brushes. I don't know if I'll actually continue purchasing them for my customers, but maybe. Like, it was like $12 for a set of 4 brushes, so not a big cost. But yeah, let's go ahead and package it all together. So you never should really overthink content. I'm literally like using a chair in the middle of my home and just recording snippets of me packaging the order, and this is going to be called like package an order with me. So just get like quick little clippings like that. We'll go ahead and put this back in the plastic. And then I'm also going to, oh, what did I just do with it? That little bonnet. The bonnet. Oh, here. Okay. So I got the bonnet. Gonna fold her up real cute. Sometimes I try to have like the crown showing, but it's kind of like, whatever. It's like not that much space as far as having this brush in there also, but just fold it up cute, place it in the corner of the box. Everything is looking like inside of the packaging. So she has 3 bundles, the closure, 2x6 closure is at the very bottom, her brush, and her bonnet. I was gonna say I could open the bonnet up and lay it on top, but I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna close her up. And I'm gonna do a separate video on the custom packaging. I do my custom packaging completely by myself. So this box I designed myself. As you can see in the inside, God is within her, she will not fail, period. With my logo on the front. This is my themed packaging currently. My plan is, you know, every quarter, every few months or so, to change out my packaging and do different themes, different colors. So hopefully for the summertime, I do want to do like a curly hair look, and I do want to have different packaging for the curly hair. So yeah, but this is the packaging currently, my 444 campaign, and yeah, really, really good quality box. I have ribbon that I actually add to the outside of the packaging. I like that one. Okay. So yeah, that's my packaging. Super cute, right? Like, I love all the red details. I've never even really liked red like that before. I don't know where the red came from. Well, actually, when I was doing the 444 campaign launch, it was initially in Valentine's Day. So it was Valentine's Day inspired. And I actually have way more supplies for that campaign than I anticipated. And honestly, I'm going to use this packaging until I get rid of it. And then we can move on to the next campaign. But yeah, I've never liked red so much. But I love the pop against the white and black. And then also near my logo. So yeah, we're done.